Ay. 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 Hi there, beautiful, lovely friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are doing an unboxing of my new bag, which is my... Guess what's the brand? It's Kelly. Mostly the corporate ladies love it so much. It can carry a laptop, right? It is spacious enough to carry a laptop. Ne? Yeah. So, but this one is so special. I'm gifted by someone special, yeah, that. So now let's unbox the beautiful bag that I've always wanted, but I didn't afford, guys. I don't afford a 1K bag, mina. No, you guys know very well. So without rambling a lot, here's my Luella tote bag for work. Ta-da! Oh, it's such a beauty. Look at it, man. Look at it. Nyazi, I might be late on the trend, ne? I might be late on the trend. This is the price. I'm sure come some price lagule app, you know. Okay, first thing first that I love about this bag is the fact that it is spacious. When you open it, it's got like compartments inside. And then first thing first that I saw, and I'm so impressed, it's got this padded thingy for a laptop, right? Then you can put your laptop here, and then it's not gonna bump gaprungu when it falls or when there's things inside, and then yeah, bumpa gaprungu. And then it's got this also compartment here. I don't want to take them out because I'm gonna use it in jam. And then it's got also this one, but just in case if you're visiting someone or you're going and you want to use it as a weekender, because I think that's what I'm gonna use it for, a weekender, right? So, and then another compartment. This one is so big, I love it. And then in here you can put your coins, because it's got a zipper, or you can put something that you don't want to fall or something like that. And then it's got another one here which is open and small and compact. So this bag is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. I've never thought I'd own a Luella bag anytime soon, because I guess broke, my child. I am very broke. So, but you know what? We meet great people in this life thing, and allow yourself to meet great people in this life thing so that they buy you nice thing. But anyway, Mina, someone bought me this bag, and I've been eyeing this bag. I've been crying that I want a bag like this, because with my backpack I look like a boy and stuff like that. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching this Yamnyana unbox. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want me to create outfits using this bag. We're gonna have fun. Small girlies deserve big bags. Nisale kahle emakhaya.